If you are under 18, listen carefully, because what you do right now is quietly deciding your future. Most people think life starts after school. They think success begins in their 20s, so they waste their teenage years without realizing it. Scrolling, procrastinating, living without direction, and by the time they wake up, they are already behind. Here is the truth no one tells you. Your life is not built in the future. It is built in your daily habits right now. The way you spend your time today is shaping who you become tomorrow. If you train your mind to chase comfort now, you will struggle with discipline later. If you avoid hard work now, you will avoid responsibility later. But if you build discipline early, you gain an unfair advantage. While others are figuring things out, you are already ahead. So what should you actually focus on? First, control your time. Your phone is your biggest distraction. If you don't control it, it will control you. Limit scrolling. Protect your focus. Second, build discipline. Wake up on time. Finish what you start. Do things even when you don't feel like it. This is how mental strength is created. Third, work on your body. Exercise is not just physical. It builds confidence, energy, and control. A strong body creates a strong mindset. Fourth, learn valuable skills. Communication, focus, basic financial understanding. These are things school does not teach you, but life demands them. And finally, stop caring too much about opinions. Right now, it feels like everyone is watching you, but they are not. Most people are too busy worrying about themselves. So stop trying to impress others and start building yourself. Because one day you will look back at this age and you will either be proud or full of regret. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start earlier than most. Fix your habits, control your time, build discipline, and by the time you turn 18, you won't just be older, you will be ahead.